The most important determinant of health is not supplements, it's not prescription medications, and it's not even surgeries or procedures. It's lifestyle. And the most important part of lifestyle is what we eat. So I get a lot of questions about what I eat. I'm going to show a 5-minute video on a pizza that I make about 2 or 3 times a week that takes about 5 minutes to make. Of course, it's got cauliflower crust, not quite the same ingredients as the one on the right here. And guess what? Yeah, we know we need to do some more work on our food videos. You'll see what I mean. Again, you can just get it on Amazon. Plant Power Pizza Crust made with real cauliflower. And the carbs on that are 4 grams of carbs. 1 gram of that is fiber. So it's, 3 grams when you subtract fiber from total carbs? Net carbs. That's just want to separate that. So now I've got a frozen disc. This is a cauliflower pizza crust. Now I'm going to put the stuff I like on it. The first item, it's some garlic and avocado oil. The main ingredient is cheese. It's a large block of vintage cheddar cheese that I get from Amazon during the time of COVID. Now, I like to put garlic on there. I'll show you what I've done in terms of the garlic in just a minute. I also like a little bit of olive oil mayo and cilantro, a cilantro paste. So here's the aged cheddar, aged white cheddar. So we slice that, put it on here. How did you like that panini we made a minute ago?
It was great.
Good. So this is Gourmet Garden. Just get it at Kroger. Cilantro paste and little squirts of that. A lot of people are going to hate on me for putting mayonnaise on a pizza, but it's made of olive oil. And I like it. And now this is an oil that I make with avocado oil and garlic, and this has a few ham bits in it. So I put that around. I don't have that other garlic paste available for me now. Janice and I actually went to the pizza place a couple of days ago, and I got some pizza there. And simple powdered Italian style cheese blend. I'll put a little of this on there. Put it in the microwave for a minute or maybe 30 seconds. We'll see what it looks like after 30 seconds. So this is not quite done yet, but you see it's getting close. And that pizza crust that I bought from Amazon is already toasted. Another 30 seconds. So, here we go. That pan's a little bit hot, but that's like I like it. You want to try it? To quote my friend OAG, Old Alabama Gardener, really good. I wish you could have some. Thank you. So I'd like to talk with you a minute about the webinar. People don't understand what the webinar is. It's actually a great way to get some access to healthcare that you're just not going to get any other way. You actually get the lab tests yourself at a local lab, a Quest lab near you, for the inflammation panel and the OGTT and the insulin survey. These are things, inflammation and prediabetes, that your doctor just does not know about. And here's the thing. Harvard Health and many others have said, look, sudden death is not always so sudden. The Hollywood picture that it's a bolt out of the blue is not realistic. It's more like real lightning, preceded by clouds, wind, and rain. Stop that metabolic storm before the lightning strikes. And here's where that metabolic storm comes from. It's inflammation, and it has to do usually with prediabetes. So again, we actually get labs, we go over them in the webinar, and then you can start finding out how you can prevent that heart attack others said that you couldn't even predict. We can show you how. Thanks.